Alright guys, welcome back. So I got something planned for today. What we're actually gonna do is take the Nissan out. I actually haven't driven it in 2 weeks. As you can tell, I don't know if you'll be able to hear, it's loud. But she's a little dirty, but I haven't been driving it really. I was just smudging the screen. So she can pass smog now and everything. And I actually got, I think I locked it. Oh no, I didn't. Don't look at the trash, don't look at everything. Here's my work truck. But I got these upper control arms so that I can put the new shocks in as soon as they come in, which hopefully will be in about a week. And I got the iBox Pro Lift shocks stage 1 with the actual not coilover, it's I forgot what it is, but it's already preset to 2.5 inches in the front and an inch in the rear. And I think it came with lift blocks, so it'll be up a little higher. I'll get a little more clearance, so I don't have to worry about rubbing it and stuff like that. So I can go a bigger tire if I want. And then I'll probably make little videos on that, hopefully, throughout the process, because I'm gonna try and do it myself, because I'm sick of paying money because I'm broke and I barely got that. So, but what I say I'm broke, but I'm about to show you what I bought. But it's a little hurt. It's a little hurts, missing pieces and stuff. But that is a Nismo V2 front bumper. Picked it up for like a couple, like $100, $120. No, wait, no. I picked it up for $200, and she wouldn't go any lower. But I mean, honestly, I don't care about the little lights right here. I might make up my own and just use the stock wire. But that right there is a welded diff. I bought a welded diff from, that's a 350. So that's a little loud probably. So the difference with the 350 and the 370 gears, I think this has shorter gears. I keep messing it up, but I'll basically have more wheel speed, and I think I'll be fine off of torque and everything. So that I really just bought it because it's welded, because there's actually a drift event coming up soon, and I'm gonna try and enter in it so that I can get some practice and learn actually how to drift, because I don't have a sim. I go to Rico's house and I don't have a sim, like once or twice a month, if that. And I don't really get a lot of seat time, so I want to get more seat time in this car, and I want to be able to drift and slide this thing around. So I'm gonna go pick up a special somebody, and we're gonna head to the filming spot. Look how musty it is in here. Like, look at the window, bro. I haven't driven this car in a while, so I might stall. It's in reverse, right? Sorry, neighbors. I'm chilling. We gotta go at an angle. Your boy got dirt driveway. Riding the hell out of the clutch. Oh, dude, it's so hazy out that front windshield. Oh my god. I don't have it on manual. I have it set to just straight up. What are you doing?
Recording.
Oh. Already?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
I hate GoPros. This GoPro is old. This case is old. It doesn't go any like how it used to. So basically, actually, I bought these ND filters so that it doesn't look as bright. I don't know which one to use. This one is...
How many stops?
This is a CPL one. I don't think so. I know you turn it. Okay, it's just like that. We'll use the CPL one and see how that goes. And then we're not using audio from this because this is just gonna scream. And then there you go. So
That scared me.
why? Why does it scare you? Where should I mount this? On the side?
Yeah.
Shut up.
Beep. How many batteries do you have, by the way?
4? Or 5?
Alright, good.
Man, why? That one low?
3 bars.
I think that's the bad one. That's the one I left in the truck. Just give it that hot tour. Right, dude?
Please shut up.
Hot tour. Alright, that should probably be fine.
We got the GoPro. We got this concoction.
Shut up. You gotta make it work. We don't even know if that is gonna work, but we'll figure it out right now.
We'll figure it out when
You
we're
want your camera
done.
bag?
Hmm?
You want your camera bag?
Nah. I'll just.
You didn't bring your tripod either, huh?
Nah.
Come on, man. You gotta be like Larry Chen. You gotta carry both your cameras on you. Well, I guess I can explain what we're doing. So, I think I said it at the start. We're gonna be testing suspension. I should have done it. I've been fucking pushing this video for like, when did I say I was gonna do it? 3 weeks ago? 4 weeks ago?
About a month ago.
Yeah. And we installed them 2 months ago. But the springs are settled in. I never adjusted the height. I haven't adjusted dampeners. They're on the softest setting right now, so they're still body roll. But in this case, honestly, you know what? I'm gonna stiffen them up a bit. Just a couple clicks. They're BC Racing BR coils. And yes, I'm using gloves to cover it because I don't feel like cutting the wire so that they're shorter. And the gloves cover it from smacking my window. So we'll just do 1, 2. We'll do 4 clicks each. The whole compound. Legally in Mexico.
Mexico.
It's so hot.
Oopsie.
Oh my god, that's really fucking hot. Alright, let me grab the gloves. Yeah, call me a bitch, but it's hot. Okay.
I'm not gonna be saying it.
I don't know how much it's gonna change. These are probably like the most expensive coils I ever bought because I would buy cheap crap. If you buy these coils and you go with the pillow ball mount instead of just a normal top hat, so it's a little stiffer, make sure you grease the top because they don't grease it and they're prone to cracking and breaking. Our buddy Jimmy that actually helped install these said that's happened to him, so always grease them just so they don't crack. What I do is I'll have the GoPro filming and hopefully the mic's picking me talking up. I should explain how I felt before it started, before he did everything. But when the car was stock, it felt good. It's a sport, so I would assume the suspension is a little stiffer, but there was a lot more body roll. It took bumps a little easier. I mean, it's lowered and now it's stiffer, so it's gonna eat bumps hella hard. But there was a lot of body roll, and I would understeer a lot, but that's just driver error because I suck. I'll drive around. Anthony's gonna try and get some good angles of me coming around some corners and stuff, and I'll be coming back and forth, and hopefully we don't fucking get kicked out.
Over here legally.
Yeah, I got a filming permit.
Same.
Bag out, take my bag out, because your bag is flying across the back of the trunk. It's not open. Don't know why. But yeah, your bag's flying. Literally, your bag. That's all I hear. The mic's probably only gonna pick up your bag. No, like that. Let myself know that the audio was like bad off the microphone. I'm still learning how to do the microphone. So in case the audio is bad, I'm just gonna talk about it. Car feels really good. Wait, did I say that already when I stopped?
I don't remember.
No, I don't know. I'll just say it again. The car feels really good. We took everything out because it's just making too much noise in there. But car feels really good. It's grabbing the ground, like it's planted. The only issue is a bucket seat. I need a bucket seat or some kind of like Nismo seat or something, because like the Nismo V2s are basically bucket seats. This seat is leather because whoever had the car redid the interior, and my bony ass slides across the seats. But other than that, like putting the 4 clicks actually kind of helped. It's a lot more stiff and feels more like road race ready. Like especially pulling out of this corner right here. I took a really wide turn because I went in really early instead of taking like an apex and hitting it late. But like the whole time I was probably quarter turned. Yeah, I was taking a wide turn, but it was like, it wasn't understeering, it wasn't doing anything, it was just grabbing. And then when I kind of went through here, I went a little slower, but I took a later entry, and the whole time it was just like following a line, like just going out. But just in case.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, we fucking just washed the car because we had breakfast, because we were like, well, we tried coming here earlier, but there was reasons. And so we went to get breakfast. I was like, let's wash the car. It's hella dirty because I haven't driven it for 2 weeks. And this is literally just the drive inside. Like, not even 100 yards of dirt, like 50 yards of dirt. Yeah. But it's like, even the mic's not even dirty. It's just whatever we kicked up over there.
You want to huck it, don't you?
I want to huck it, like, around the corner. Like, at least get right here and then huck it and swing out. But, like, we're going to make a lot of noise. And I don't know if I'm ready to do that right now.
Man.
It felt good. Did it look good?
Yeah, it looked good.
Dude, it felt amazing. Like, I was controlling it actually.
Yeah.
Like,
you look like you knew what you were doing.
Kinda, but like not really. But like it felt good. But let's get packing.
All right. How we are?
All right. We're a good distance away now. How did you think the car looked?
Looked pretty good. You look like you knew what you were doing this time.
Okay, I didn't, but
see, and that's what suspension does for.
Oh, and that first initiation, I've never really did a feint. Like in the last video, every turn I was doing, I was clutch kicking or dumping the clutch and then doing initiating. This time I was like, I want to try and feint and go right and then huck it left and then try counter it, and it loved it. Everyone knows that you get that first rush of adrenaline and you're just like, you're going nutty. Diff is still good. I count on the VLSD on these are kind of a hit or miss because they'll spin both, but they also won't because they act like a 1.5 way. So yeah, they'll lock up in a straight, but you go into a turn and they're not locking up anymore. Which honestly, I'm be honest, is probably the reason why I wasn't spinning out when I was just doing normal turns instead of drifting it. And the car should have just kicked out. The car has the power to kick itself out, but it didn't. So thank God, because I don't know how fast I was going, but I was going pretty fast. I was humming. But yeah, like each time, and I'll be honest, like I still really don't catch transitions that good because I'm learning. But over the wheel for a minute, like I did catch one, but I spun out because I was too much on throttle. Like I said, all in all, like amazing. If you want to drift, buy Coils. And this has tow arms, but I needed tow arms because I went a true coil. But buy Coils. Honestly, Coils, usually they say a good seat. I don't have a good seat because I don't got money because I'm poor. But Coils, maybe adjustable arms if you can buy them, because there's rear tow arms, so I have more tow for it to slip out. and a welded diff. This doesn't have a welded diff, but it has the VLSD. But the welded diff will go in here, and it's probably going to change how the car turns with the extra gearing too, with higher wheel speed. So all we gotta do is wait for the event, and I can go test and learn and try there. Damn. Shout out Montgomery Brawl. Been to the Damn. Been to the good times in bed. Damn. I'm the Mexican Jimmy Oaks. Except I suck at driving and I don't really work on my car that much.
Hey, you don't speak Spanish.
Well, he don't either.
Yeah, but you said you're the Mexican one.
Fine, I'm brown. That better?
Yeah.
You're a reverse coconut.
I'm an inside-out coconut.
You're inside out coconut. I'm actually running out of shit to say.
Bye, everybody.